kasama niya. First, I didn't really expect to cry, I'm sorry. Pero walking into Valencia, kasi naalala ko yung pagmukha ni Mother sa lagang utang na loob namin sa Monteverde family na sana napayaman ko si Mother nung kalakasan ko, kabataan ko. Pero for the Monteverdes to continue showing us love and the true meaning of being family na, sis. We're just really grateful. Kasi can I just say, I'm also pagod na kami kasi 5 days na nang matatapos na yung kampanya. Hindi ko maintindihan. Sorry, nadadala ako nung utang na ko kay Mother, pero sumasama yung sinasabi ko kay Kiko very often. Hindi ko maintindihan din. Umiyak ako dahil kay Mother hindi. Sorry. Ako nagdadrama, baka mamim na naman ako. Nahahalo-halo po, sorry. Sabi ko, di ko maintindihan. Kung selfish tayong tao, okay na buhay namin maayos na eh. Patahimik na ako. Tapos si Kiko, okay naman, may mga nalipundar kami negosyo. Ganyan, okay mga anak namin, ang ayos-ayos namin na palaki. Si Kaki's graduating na this month. So right after elections, I'm going to attend her graduation. Lian has finished her first year, so 3 years na lang siya. Pero talaga ang calling ni Kiko, bata pa lang siya, is really to serve. Di ba kahit si Ma'am Lenny noon, nag-thank you sa akin for, allowing me to take on the role of a vice presidential candidate because she knew it wasn't going to be easy. I grew up with a mayor for a father, and until just shortly before he died, when I was born, mayor na siya. Shortly before he died was the only time na hindi na mayor ang tatay ko. So parang, I never liked politics kasi nga, in the Philippines, pagkaganda-ganda pa ng intensyon mo, pagkaayos-ayos mo ng puso mo, natatalo ka ng fake news, tsaka budget na bilyon-bilyon ng ibang kandidato na wala namang kami. Lahat ng meron kami pinaghirapan natin dalawa siya, even before I met him. Yung games lang yan, di ba? Pinagtatawanan natin. Pero siya, miski parang pinaniniwala doon. Sabi ko, dapat nagkaroon tayo ng na, bakit po ba ayaw yung iboto si Kiko? Ano po yung mga doubts ninyo? Kasi lahat ng kasinungalingan nilalabas against him, may resibo kaming katapat. Meron kaming mga makapagpapasa, walang katotohanan dun sa mga binibintang nila, paninira nila. Siguro bilang asawa niya at nanay ng mga anak niya, ang pride kasi namin galing dun sa matinong pagkatao namin. Wala namang perfecto, di ba, lalo tayo sa showbiz, Diyos ko po. Pero maayos ang pinagagalingan namin. Maayos kami panalaki ng mga magulang namin. Napaka-blessed ko na nakahanap ako, pinagdasal ko, bigyan ako ng asawa. Hindi totoo, alam ng Panginoon to. Bigyan ako ng asawa, hindi ako sasaktan. Magiging mabuting ama. You know, Kiko doesn't have a lot. But everything he has, he gives to us. This is also his heart for the country. Kasi, di naman kami lumaman sa politika. He served for over 2 decades. Wala kami inasenso. Nagtatrabaho pa rin kami. I'm 59. I still work. Because my husband still works. Because we think of our children. Everything we have has come from honest, hard work. So yun ang thank you. So sorry. I didn't expect to cry every day. Ito sinasabi ko. Siguro kasi lumaki ako kasama ng marami sa inyo. So parang mas comfortable. Gusto ko nang itanong, ba't po ayaw iboto si Kiko? meron kaming sagot. Meron na siyang nagawa. Sasabihin nila walang nagawa. He has passed 200 plus laws. Sabihin nila, ano yung mga meme? Bakit kumain sa takip ng kaldero? Meron namang plato, meron namang dahon ng sari. Inabot po ni Idol yon sa kanya, yung nag-imbita sa kanya, kasi tatapon yung gatas ng kalabaw pag hindi plato o hindi. Inabot sa kanya, yun, hindi niya kinuha. Yung sabaw, tinangan mo, ang init-init, so yung unang ganyan yan, hindi pa niya maano, yung second doon niya talaga hinigop ng maraming hangin, di ba? If you watch the full video naman, makikita niyo, sinisplice kasi, yung wow, dagat, hindi na naman nila tinuloy dun sa wow, dagat, kasi yung mga anak ko may hika. May asthma yung mga anak namin, so talaga ang dagat, important sa amin na dinadala yung mga anak namin. Parang lagi din ang pinuput, you know, he has 2 degrees from the University of the Philippines. One in comparative literature and one in law. He graduated from the John F. Kennedy School of Government in Harvard with an A- average when he graduated in Harvard University. He has been a teacher in Ateneo de Manila. He is a lawyer. He's a businessman. He's the greatest father. He's the greatest husband. Malaki ang takot sa Diyos. Kasi yung konsensya namin kaya, lalo yung nag-a-apply ka magtrabaho for the people, nag-a-apply ka magtrabaho to serve the people, para ikaw yung ginagawang joke o parang binabaliktad ka, nagsisinungaling about, parang masama ba yung intention mo? Hindi ko alam ang intention ng ibang kandidato, pero yung kandidato ko, napaka-sincere, napaka-honest. Like I said, okay na kami, masarap ang buhay namin. Pero ang turo sa amin pareho ng dalawang sets ng magulang namin. When you are a little more fortunate, you always share, you always, you know, tsaka yung lumaki kami sa paniniwala, ako politiko tatay ko, siya politiko siya. Parang, stop complaining about what you find wrong in your country. Do something. And he's trying to do something. He's done many things over more than 2 decades. So, kung doubts ang meron sila, sana po, I hope they do their research. I hope madali naman malaman ang katotohanan sa mga datos ng opisyal, yung mga tunay, hindi yung mga bilang o paninira ng ibang vloggers o ibang tao na madaling paniwalaan kung wala kang back-up na mga patunay. I hope people see he's worked so hard to give to the country he loves so much. And, you know, why do we focus on agriculture? Why does he focus on agriculture? Our children respect farmers and fisher folk so much. Si Frankie, when she was about 5 years old, sabi, you know, farmers are like our parents. She was 9, sorry. Without them, we would have food. And if you think about that, pag ang mga magsasaka at mangingisda, nagbenta, ang bumili sa kanila, middleman, na binili sa kanila ng kunyari piso, tapos binenta ng 50 piso, pero piso lang napunta sa kanila. Alam niyo po yung mga anak at apo nila, ayaw nang maging magsasaka, ayaw nang maging mangingisda. They want to go to the city and do other things kasi wala silang kita. So pag wala na ang farmers, the average age of a farmer now is 57. Ayaw na sumunod ng mga henerasyon, yung mga sunod na henerasyon ayaw na maging magsasaka. Excuse me, pati mangingisda. Anong gagawin natin pag wala na magsasaka at mangingisda? I-importin natin lahat. Mula bigas hanggang poultry, livestock. Anong gagawin natin? Kailangan natin trabaho ng 2 trabaho kasi ang presyo ng pagkain, dodoble na. Doble pa. Kasi hindi nagaling dito. It's the very basics, the basic necessities that we all need in each of our lives that he is fighting for. Hindi ko maintindihan kung ayaw intindihin ng iba or hindi na maintindihan dahil na pangunganahan ng fake news. These are important issues in all our lives and their present problems. kailangan mahal ang bilihin, mahal ang pagkain. When he did this in 2016, bumaba ang presyo ng bigas agad-agad. You know, yung tagline namin, kung marami pang di nakakaintindi sa mga readers ninyo o viewers ninyo, yung pag-Mikiko, Sharon, kasi sumikat yung tinatawag na balutin mo ako tapos magsasharon ka ba? That's the meaning of that. Kasi pag mababa ang presyo ng pagkain, marami kang maihahanda. Ibig sabihin lahat, pwede pa magbaon. That's the meaning of that. Pag-Mikiko, hindi yung pag-Mikiko, sekretarya na ako, hindi. The meaning is that. And this is very important kasi light yung campaign namin. But if you look at the issues na tinatalakay ng asawa ko, they're the most important, the most basic necessities that we all need, we all have. So, pakiusap ko lang talaga yun. Kunyari, ano pa ba? Wala ka nagawa, more than 200 ka dun. Wala daw parusa sa juvenile justice law na napasa niya. May parusa, hindi pwedeng wala. Ang pinoprotekta lang niya doon yung mga batang, let's say, wala ng pagkain. Nakulong kasama ng hardened criminals, tapos nabibisdash. Yun lang naman. Pero syempre, kung seryoso yung crime, may parusa. Hindi pinapakawalan. Depende talaga. Kasi they're kids, they're minors. Sa ibang bansa man, hindi pwedeng pakita ang mukha, hindi pwedeng sabihin ang pangalan. Dito, may parusang katapat. Depende sa crime mo. Kung naman astig yung crime mo at feeling adult ka, di bigay na namin ikaw doon, di ba? Pwede yun. At daming paninira. And it's very easy to research about what is true about every single issue being brought forward against Kiko. Ang kailangan lang namin talaga, yung impormasyon, ma-disseminate. And this is why we're very grateful na lahat kayo nandito ngayon. Because you are the only ones that can help us. Apart from yung taong bayan na aware. So, we have 5 days left before the end of the campaign, which is May 10. Excuse me. We have 5 days left. After May 10, we can't campaign anymore, and May 12 is election day. We are really knocking on your hearts and knocking on your Filipino spirit to help us. He's not the only one that can make good change in the country, but he's certainly the best one. Please help us. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much. Sarap. Ang sarap. Very, very engaging talaga whenever you listen to the megastar. Punong-puno ng puso. I know na. Okay, here is a question from